Do you know what this kitchen needs? A brand new splashback. Let's go! When it comes to kitchen splashbacks, it's not just about the look, they also protect your walls. My name is Ken, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own kitchen splashback. This is a straightforward job you can do yourself with just a few simple steps. So let's do it. When it comes to working out how many tiles you're going to need, the easiest way I've personally found is take the longest part of the worktop by the highest point that you want your tiles to go up to, whether that be the extractor fan or your wall units, and then doing that on every single wall. Normally when it comes to tiling, you want to find the center line of your wall before you start tiling. In our case, we're going to find the center line of our hob because our splashback is going to start from there and work its way to the sides. First things first, before you can start tiling, you need to make sure your walls are prepped accordingly. Our walls have been painted, but if they were just plastered, we would prime them first before tiling. That's just to help stick the adhesive to the wall. Our walls are painted, so we're just going to key it slightly. You only want to score very lightly with the blade, just enough to help the adhesive bond to the wall. Before we install these tiles, we're going to lay them out on our worktop, compare them to our laser, just to make sure our working surface is level. We're using a 6mm notch trowel, which allows us to remove the air from the adhesive, helping the tiles bond to the wall better. So now we're at the stage where we need to cut around our plug sockets. Before you go anywhere near a plug socket, please make sure that it's isolated. At this point, we want to work out the top of the socket. We're going to put our tile spacer in so we know we're at the right height. We're then going to make a mark at the top. We're then going to take our tile, rest it on the top of the socket. Again, placing a spacer on the opposite side so that we know we're in the right distance, and we're going to make our second mark. And all we need to do is join these two lines up together, and it'll give us the area that we want to remove. So before we get cutting on our tile cutter, we need to make sure we have the right PPE. We're going to need safety goggles, some ear defenders and a dust mask, and ideally be in a well ventilated area. So that means it's time for a bit of slow-mo. Let's talk trims. This is a key part of tiling as it keeps your edges nice, clean and tidy. Some tiles can have a rough or bare edge that doesn't look too nice. Adding a trim will remove all of that. So I've cut my trim to length and I've added a 45-degree angle so that when I lie it on the wall, it then matches my top bit of trim, creating a perfect frame so that when I put my last tiles in, they'll have a nice perfect edge all the way around. And then on the return or the back bit of the tile, we're going to add another bit of trim at the top. And then that way we can frame our remaining tiles on this side and have a nice perfect corner. Let's go. Now we're into the final part of this splashback, and we just need to add the grout and it's done. Make sure to add silicone in any of the corners, joints, or places that can come into contact with water. And just like that, you have a splashback you can be proud of. For more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe, and comment below what videos you want to see me do next. Let's go.